Hi guys, in today's section we will discuss about C storage classes, its functions and type of C storage classes, syntax and its examples. First we will see what is C storage classes. In C programming language, a storage class refers to the scope or visibility and the lifetime of the C variable. Scope of the C variable defines the ability of the variable in block of a C program, and by lifetime of variable means how long variable will persist in the program. What are the functions of storage classes? Function number 1, it tells the location of the C variable. Number 2, sets the initial or default value of C variable. Number 3, it defines the scope or visibility of the C variable. Number 4, it defines the lifetime of C variable. So what are the types of storage classes in C programming language? C programming language supports following 4 types of storage classes: auto, register, static and extend storage class. So what is auto storage class? It is the default storage class for local variables. Variable with auto storage class are declared at the beginning of a code block, and memory is allocated automatically as the program execution enters to a code block and frees up automatically on exiting from the code block. The scope or visibility of automatic variables is local to the code block where it declared and are not accessible directly in other code block. So the syntax of auto storage class is auto, then we have to declare the data type, then we have to declare the variable name, then semicolon. Here is a small example: auto int a. Here a is variable name, int is the type of variable, which means we can store only integer value, and the storage class type is auto storage class, and at last we have to put semicolon. What is register storage class? C variables with register storage class are same as local variable to the code block, but they are stored in CPU register instead of computer memory. It enables the quick access of that variable. Maximum size of the variable is equal to the register size and depends upon the register size. Here is syntax of register storage class: register, data type and then variable name, semicolon. Here is example: register int a, semicolon. What is static storage class? It is default storage class for global variable. Static storage class can be used only if we want the value of a variable to persist between different function calls. C variable declared with static storage class will keep its value retained for different function calls. Syntax for static storage class is static, then data type, then variable name, semicolon. Here is an example: static int a, semicolon. What is external storage class? C variable declared with external storage class is said to be global variable. It means variable is accessible throughout the program till the end of the program execution. External variables are declared outside the functions and can be invoked from anywhere in a program. External variables can be accessed very fast as compared to any other storage classes. Here is the syntax: extern, then data type, then variable name, semicolon. Example: extern int a, semicolon. So guys, in this session we learned about C storage classes, and that's all for this session, and in next session we will see C operators. Thanks for watching my video.